Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Capital One credit card to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are a few things that we should guarantee here for us or before we actually make a transfer. So first things first is you need to have the latest version of the Capital One mobile application. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store, search for Capital One, and see if you have the latest version. Now, once you've updated Capital One, the first thing you want to do next is you want to open it up and log in into your account. Now, once logged in into your account, you should be able to see the main UI for the Capital One application. Now, in this case, you should be able to see your current balance as well as all the things that you can do here. Now, at the center of your screen, you should see an option that says I want to. So from there, hit on the transfer option. Now, on the next page, it's going to ask you to enter or choose the following details. So that includes the transfer from, which in this case, you should appropriately check or basically select the proper account for you to make or the source of the funds. So from there, you also have to choose the transfer to, which is the destination of those funds. So in this case, I would suggest you to make sure that you choose or you check the details if they are correct. Now, if you incorrectly enter the details or you've chosen the incorrect account, this might give you delays on actually making the transfer itself. Now, here you also have the option to choose the send on, which is the date for the transfer itself and the amount that you want to transfer. Also, you have the memo option, which is optional, but once you're sure, go ahead and slide or click on the section here that says slide transfer, and from there, you should be able to make your transfer from your accounts. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.